Good morning, afternoon, everybody. How are we doing? This treadmill is too slow. Speed it up. Now I'm walking. We're walking. Okay, who do we have in here? Hasta la vista Barbie, Susie, Alina, I'm a working man, Brendan, Knight, entry target, stop, please sir. Yeah, maybe in a bit. Maybe, let's see. Oh my god, my mic's a bit weird. Oh, that'll do, that's better. Cool. Jim, Hostile Power, welcome everybody. Remember everyone, inflation is your fault. Everything's your fault. Everything's our fault. French Bull, Ashraf, Petsaw. How are you all doing? Enjoying the move up so far today? I'm feeling, so if anyone's been watching or has been following on Twitter, the last, I'd say 24 hours, I've just been a bit, I on Twitter I just shitpost, basically. But I kind of do feel like there's, well, I mean, it has to. There is something brewing here. I think we're going to get, well, I hope we're going to get a bit of a breakout within the next 24 hours. I'm feeling like it's going to be up. My bias is that we break up from here. But we don't know. I'm still in a head short position, just in case it all falls apart. But I like what I'm seeing. It's kind of constructive. And even with the order flow and everything, it's looking okay. It's looking okay here. So I'm pretty happy with what we're seeing. Obviously, we'll start off here on the higher time frames. And just to give you an idea of where we're at, how important whatever's going on here is, because we've got a very, very clear point of control here at 63,000 on Coinbase. And this is the spot market, okay? You can see why it's so important, because we came up to 63K once, we consolidated there, and then we kept moving up, bouncing off of it, bouncing off of it, bouncing off of it. And this is the first time really consolidating below this major POC. I don't really want this to be red and with an arrow on it, so let me just correct this. There we go, now I can draw and it's a bit easier. So we're consolidating below this POC, and we've got a ton of confluence around there as well. So you turn on your 30-day anchored, a 30-day rolling VWAP, which we've been speaking about. So you can see here, you get caught below, resistance, 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 resistance. Yeah, and that's just causing this pressure to the downside. But once again, since our point of control has shifted, and if we have a look at the POC here, and we look at the developing POC, since it shifted down, we haven't seen a new lower low. All right, we've just consolidated beneath it. We've got this pressure coming down on price with this 30-day rolling VWAP. It hasn't created a new lower low. We've got our EMAs, we've got our 200 EMA. The first time really consolidating below that. Okay, you had a bit of a move up, then you had this move, but consolidating below that, it hasn't made another new lower low. Then you go onto the daily time frame. You're looking at the 50, and you're caught between the 50 and the 100. So we have all of this selling pressure above right now that's been there for the best part of 2 weeks, for the whole month basically, since we had that little reversal. It's still there, but price is held. And that, to me, since you get this movement, what you would often see when you get this shift of the POC, price will naturally repel away from it. But if we were going to make another low, I do believe it would have happened already. And the fact that we're consolidating here in value area, just below, this is the thing, time is healing the market right now. more than prices. There's clearly not acceptance of lower prices, because as soon as it did go to lower prices, it popped back in and now it's being accepted back here again. So time is healing it. You're getting all of this sell pressure that's coming down, all of these moving averages, all of these VWAPs. That's going to have sell algos running on them. So every time price comes up, algos switch on, sell, 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 sell. But we're holding, and we're holding the monthly open, and we're just stepping up. So for me, that does give me a bullish bias. Like, I do believe if we were going to break down, we would have done so. Now, that doesn't mean for certain that we're going to squeeze up from here, but I kind of think we might squeeze up from here. And the other reason as well why I'm like feeling kind of happy about this is we keep recovering these drops down really quickly. Yes, I know we have dumps, and we have that. But yesterday there was that CPI, PPI that missed by a mile, and price didn't take out the lows. There was this massive drop that all the markets had on Friday. It got recovered very quickly. And what we're doing here as well, starting to build up open interest. There's both longs and short positions opening, and I think the thing is we've got some trap longs above the above this POC essentially. So at this POC there are some trap longs, and I can show you that if we just turn on the footprint here, and we have a look at the high that got put in earlier on. In fact, it's not really on spot. Sorry, I should have shown this on the Bybit chart. This is where you got your trap longs. I'll go to the 1 minute. So you did trap some traders up here. Okay, you can see there's excess at the high, where you've got a bunch of zeros. Okay, short stops being hit, longs opening. They get trapped above that previous day open. Price corrects. But what we're seeing now overall is the opposite situation. All right, excess at the lows. So I did tweet this earlier. Once these longs have been stopped, I believe that we can continue higher and that we can start to short squeeze today. So these longs that opened, you come all the way down here, you look at what happened at the low, and you have a bunch of stops being hit. Negative delta of 147 Bitcoin, a lot of longs opening down there, a lot of shorts opening down there, sorry, and price is bouncing. What we also have there is, of course, our VWAP. So this was silly short positions opening into VWAP, price getting a bounce. We're trending up so far on the day, so as long as VWAP is holding, we do look for higher prices. So that's like my little bias here on Bitcoin. You look on other exchanges, you look at Woo, you had some shorts opening down there as well. You had a little bit of excess at the lows, not as much as you got on Bybit, but a decent bounce so far. And let's see how this goes over the course of the next hour or so. What is this? Volume candles. Look at this. This is cool. It makes the candles fatter when you got some big volume. Interesting. Interesting. I'm going to keep to that way. So yeah, the other thing that's here, there's nothing left below where price currently is. So we had this move. We had the deviation below the range lows, spiked up, came back down. Okay, yes, it hasn't filled the entire move here, but what it did is it corrected, came back into the single print and balance below. We had this move up a couple of days ago on Monday. That got corrected. We're having this move up today. Single print here, corrected. All right, we've dropped into this. So everything below us has been sorted out. It's all been cleaned up. There's no points of control left below unless we go much lower. There's no more inefficiencies left below unless we go much lower. And all of the imbalance, all of the inefficiencies, everything that we're really looking at to trade off of is above price right now. So that does suggest to me, and I do hope it happens, but there's a lot of liquidity, and I think it's about time that we see some prices going back up again. and a little bit of bullish momentum returning. So let's see how it goes. We've got CPI coming up in about 15 minutes. That could be interesting because why could it be interesting? Because yesterday it was interesting because we had that big drop as we had the PPI data, and then it recovered it all. So PPI missed by a mile, yet we ended up closing like really, really bullish on the day yesterday. So I think it would have to be a very bad CPI to really, really, really dump prices. But we'll watch how this goes. We'll see how it goes, and see where we're at on the NQ in a little bit as well. Revisions and J Powell cooling pata. But pumping would be awesome. Yeah, I mean, there's like this move up during New York yesterday was pretty crazy. So it wouldn't be surprised to see it drop down here somewhere. But I'm gonna take off these because we're back through that gap. Can't say your name, sorry. I'm long from 61.8. It's the long from the 618 at 61.8. Nice. That seems okay. Biggie. How does cool. What can we have a look at? Let's show you the order flow. Oh my god, this is like, so this was what was making me kind of bullish earlier. We had this like real heavy negative funding going on, which is starting to cool off again. But this is the thing, all these moves down, the only way I would get concerned with price right now, and I did do an update on this again, is if we're getting these moves down and we're seeing open interest increasing with it. Yeah, unless we get like massive seller aggression, I'm feeling okay here. Now that can come in at any point. We could get sellers start to get real aggressive here, but every time that we're getting this, we're just trapping a few longs, shaking them out, moving back up, shaking them out, moving back up, and it's just building. It's not really starting to build that many shorts to squeeze yet, but I think it will happen if we do start moving higher. So come on. We're gonna pump. We're gonna pump. I hope. I'm eating a chicken dinner and waiting for the fun to begin. Nice. What do I have for? Oh, yeah. I cooked myself some nice lamb chops yesterday. I got some more of those for my dinner tonight. It was very good. Lucifer, picking up fresh dog poop whilst listening to the TA. Well, very well done for you for being a responsible dog owner. Where do I check the CPI data? Go to forexfactory.com. This will, warning, blind you. Make it darker. Yeah, forexfactory.com. Okay, or cryptocraft.com, or energyx.com, or metalsmine.com. But yeah, forexfactory.com, and that will tell you everything you need to know. So obviously yesterday we had PPI that came in super hot, missed by a mile. Yeah, which is why there was a huge move based off of it. But today we've got CPI, we've got retail sales. We got a lot of news today. A lot of news today. So, yeah, could get crazy. I'm trying out Benzinga Pro for quicker news feeds, 2-week free trial. Benzinga Pro. Let me just find that. Oh my god. Go away. Benzinga Pro. This thing. Oh no, I don't want to show notifications. Go away, go away. Block. I might try this out. I need to obviously do a thingy-majiggy. Okay, also, how many likes do we have on this? We've got over 100 people and less than 100 likes. In fact, we've got only 15 likes, which is terrible, guys. You are terrible. Like the stream, please. Try Financial Juice, best for news. Okay. I will check that out as well. Financial Juice. Financial Juice. This one. I don't like this like UI. US. What's the date? Wait, yeah, this is it. This is what we want. US CPI. If you click on that, does it? Get rid of the white. Like, okay, I'm done with that. Let's just watch price action for it. I need to mark up the Nasdaq. I've not been marking up the Nasdaq. So I don't know where we're at. I've been lazy. I've just whacked an indicator on it just to show some stuff, but it's like massively shit as an indicator, so never mind. I'm just going to go single prints. That takes you back to the gap. That's where it topped the other day. You got this. You don't want to see this zone being lost. So this is all stacking up. So a move down here seems likely. Dip into that, close your 4 hour just above. All is good, all is well. Anchor view up from down here. Where's the... Beast. That's where we want it. So we want, or at least I want, CPI to dump it down here, and then we'll push up from there. And then for Bitcoin, I mean, you kind of just want to be holding VWAP here. I think just settle the volatility somewhat on Bitcoin. It's not really reacting to this move down on the NQ right now. So see if these lows get taken out. But again, there's no real need for it to go much lower than this. Otherwise it starts looking bad. Are you a random TJ or the actual TJ that went missing 2 years ago? Well, for a start, I'm not even a TJ. My name is not even TJ, so I don't know what you're on about. The other thing this could just do is just like, I mean, we might not even get a big move down. It would be great if it can be like yesterday, like let's say CPI misses by a mile again and we get a big old dump that can then get recovered, but I don't know about that. I may trade it. Do I trade it? Might trade on Top Step X today. Where is this? I'm just going to place the limit order at 18,340. Just see what happens there. Because it's low enough that I could probably get away with it. If there is to be a big move down. Limit order 18,340. Unlikely that I get filled, but we'll see. Limit by 2. No, I'm going to do one contract 18,345. One contract 18,340. YOLO. We're already moving up. Maybe I short the highs as well. Should I just throw a limit order above the London highs? I'm just going to do this on a... because I'm still doing a combine on Top Step X. So... I'm just going to limit. If I get wrecked, I get wrecked. The $19, I don't care. I'll just take it, do a new one, try a new one. But I'm not gonna trade my live one today, not unless I see something that I really like the look of. So alerts up here, alert down here. This move up that we're seeing is nice because it does mean that we can trap some longs, dump it down, and get a decent move higher. And then for Bitcoin, let's whack alert on the high. We've got an alert on the low. We're looking at something a bit more internal. We don't want to see VWAP being lost at this stage, not like badly. And we got 3 minutes. Oh, right. There's a TJ in the chat. Ah. I thought you... I thought... No, I see TJ in the chat. Yeah, you are the actual random TJ. Cool. We got TJ. A TJ. I don't know if you're the TJ that used to stream now and again. From Holland. No, not the same TJ. Not the same TJ that Lucifer's talking about, I think. You're the TJ that's not a not a weirdo. Okay. News incoming very soon. A couple of minutes. or 1 minute. No power speech, just data. Just CPI data. Whoa. Let's just keep it on on bars. Here comes volatility. Down and up, please. Down, then up. Oh, fuck off. It's just up and away. Well, that's good. That's good. I didn't get my long positions filled, but whatever. Whatever. Come on, let's pump. Let's go. Let's go. Holy shit. Wow. Wow. Is this going to be a new all-time high for NQ today? It could very easily be a new all-time high on the Nasdaq today. All right. There goes our highs. There goes our Friday highs that we were looking for yesterday. Just got front run. Keep on going. Pump my longs. I'm a little bit disappointed I didn't get into a long position there on the NQ, but I am in plenty of longs on Bitcoin. So I am very content with that. I've also I've tried an account on Bright Funded as well, and I've just there you go. Oh wait, where's it gone? Oh, does it? This doesn't let me. Look, you can't This is weird. Oh man, that's good. This is really good. Okay, previous week open. Wow. All right, I guess we're just looking at all-time highs now then. This is the thing, as soon as you come up to these stops, bang, that's gonna go, 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 that's gonna go. Let's just squeeze through everything. New all-time highs, enough of this nonsense. Am I getting too bullish? This is a nice thing. This is what we wanted to see. It's a good start. POC cleared for now. If it goes back below 63 again, then fuck, we're in trouble. But let's just keep going now. Realistically, this should end the day like 67,500. Because there's nothing here that's going to stop it. Or 66 to 67. I told you it was going to be a big fucking dildo. If anyone had watched my Twitter feed all morning, I was like, right, we're pumping today, guys. Enough of this shit. We're pumping. I manifested the dildo yesterday. If you're not already following me on Twitter, then get yourself over there. Give me a follow. But I was maybe a little bit bullish. Look, enough is enough. There's nothing left below current price to retest. This is it. It's time for everything all at once pump. And then manifesting fat green candle tomorrow. We are manifesting it. But let's just keep going. I don't want to get overexcited on stream, but we're making money today. Money is being made. Delirium in the chat. Look at this. This one was a little bit degen, but I did catch like the bottom here earlier on. Check that out. Bah, 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 bah. So we're up. We're up. And then there's my actual accounts that are up too. Good. Did you hold the long from this morning's call? Who? What? I haven't traded NASDAQ today. I'm a bit annoyed about that. How are alts doing? Is Woo pumping? Yeah. Is Doge pumping? Shorts opening. Come on, let's squeeze them. Let's watch this. Let's have a look. Bybit's where all the shorts are getting trapped right now. They're the idiots who keep getting caught. So the Bybit order flow has been relatively decent today. Lag. Footprint lag. See, there they are, getting caught, silly sausages. That's another alert. What other alert's just gone off? Yeah, another BTC one. That's delayed. Yeah, it's too laggy, the footprint. Okay. ETH BTC, new low. Yeah. Yeah. I'm long ETH as well. Where's my ETH long? So I'm long ETH from today as well. 2916. My ETH long, just from earlier on, 2916. It wasn't a very good entry, but it was somewhere around here. I was just like, fuck it, going long. Yeah, I basically longed resistance, didn't I, earlier? 2916, yeah, I probably did. I longed resistance, but it worked out okay. Big shorts on Bybit. Yeah, I mean, we've just had a massive candle, so let's just chill out for a little bit and just see if this can continue. Start to build some short positions, because obviously a lot of them have just been squeezed. And let's see if it can come back and then take them out again around New York Open. After such an impulse, most of the time you take the high again, eventually, yeah. Yeah, I mean, if we look at what's going on here, it's not like, yeah, it's not like spots rolling over or doing anything, it's just, you're getting some, shorts joining. Trying to fade this move. French bull's here, so French bull, are you counting this as a wave 3? I wouldn't know. Oh, look at that, everything was red earlier. Now it's all green. "30-second chart." Yeah. What was the data? Oh, it's just flat, right? Actually, no, yeah, it beat. So yesterday it was a big mess, and today it beat it. Retail sales, no increase. Interesting. Yeah. So pretty much neutral news. How are the charts getting on? How's NASDAQ getting on? How's the ES getting on? Well, did ES take out all-time high? No, not yet. I wonder if this is like, nah. What you don't want to see is this come all the way back down here, because then that's really bad. So if you compare this to what happened yesterday, that's why it's important to take profits, but we'll see how it goes. Man, I should be trading this. What's the time? I've got a trading room starting in a bit. Do a barrel roll. Looking to take out highs again and go for a short would be good. Yeah, look at that. We did go like 64,200, so it's got like the 420 thing here. So is this where we had the shorts right down at these lows? Lucifer, it's still scalp season. Any short-term profits you get, you take it. The way all key AMAs on H4 daily and so on are forming, we're sideways for another month or two. Yeah, I mean, a return back to the top of the range I think is likely, and then we see if it can continue from there. But the thing is, once we've cleared, I mean, now we've cleared it, as long as 63k is holding, then yeah, this should be a fairly swift move up towards 66, 67. And we have just come back in and I guess tested around there. So at that stage, once you get to like 66, 67, then start to see how things are looking. Oh my god, I need to turn off the thingy-majiggy. Hanzala, are we targeting 67 from here? I'd say so, yeah. Maybe higher, value area high. Like we don't know. Like this is the thing. We've got 3 hours left of this. If we end up closing back below 60, 63, like wrecked. More horrible chop, but you really want to see this continuing now. You really do. But yeah, essentially the kind of trade we're looking at right now is this, right? And basically at this stage is that. So weekly open, you're looking at something along these lines. And you're taking profit along the way, like this will be TP1, TP2, take profit over here. Yeah, but overall that's kind of what we're aiming for. How is your chicken? Wagme? We are gonna make it. Crypto Face went live with a fresh long. No, that's cool. We are on for trading room. Yeah, we're starting that. So actually, I'm probably going to wrap this up here because we are doing a trading room in 10 minutes with the crew. So if anyone wants to continue to trade this, together we're going to keep watching this. We're going to get everybody else's thoughts from the crew and start to see what's going on. Then you can join the crew. Remember, there still is. It's still actually active. I was only going to make this active for a week, but there still is. You can lock in your cheaper pricing because it is Taurus birthday month. So if you are interested in joining the crew, then go over, click on the link in the description below, and you can lock in your membership for $49 per month by using the code LOCKIN. Use the code LOCKIN, enter the code LOCKIN at the checkout, and you can get crew access for $49 per month. I was supposed to only make it live for a week, but it is still live, so there you go. We'll keep it until the end of the month. And within that, okay, we're doing a trading room in 10 minutes, so we're going to trade the New York Open together. and you get all of these trade setups, market analysis from myself, from the rest of the coaches, all of the educational content as well included in that. So yeah, come and join us. After painful yesterday's day, today's profits is so relieving. Good. I'm glad people are in a good mood. This is a good move up. This is what we wanted to see, and it's still looking fairly decent here. Let's see if it can form a range, and then see what New York has in store. But the nice thing about this is, like yesterday when we had the big dump, right? It just kind of melted up and just carried on going and going and going. At this stage, we're showing some support here. We don't want to, like, okay, it's okay if things are just ranging here. Maybe we come and take these lows later and we get a continuation, but what we don't want to see is just this continue to fall away, because then it's going to get really bad. But yeah, it's got Bitcoin's got to hold 63. Got to hold 63. Anyway, cool. Yeah, I'm going to wrap it up because we do need to. I'm going to have like a quick 5-minute break and then hop on a call with the crew. So thank you everybody for watching. Please do hit the like button, hit subscribe. If you want to join the crew, join in on the trading room. We're doing that in 10 minutes, and we're going to be trading New York session together. And we will continue to monitor this, see how it goes, and see if we really are getting the breakout, or whether we're all going to get wrecked and it's just faking out again. So thank you everybody. See you soon. Bye-bye.